Morning Vegas, morning boys. I don't know what day it is, Saturday. And we found a hipster cafe where hopefully there's breakfast, and then we'll go for a cruise. Probably have an early one because we've got an early leave tomorrow. Where's Bowen?
Where's Bowen? Where's Bowen?
Bowen! Bowen?
Bowen?
Just take a look over my shoulder. It's a real coffee machine.
Well, we've taken a bit of a journey out of town. We've got all day today, so we've taken a journey up to Hoover Dam. Not sure, I don't think Jolly's certainly not been here. I've been to America. Jeff, you been to Hoover Dam, mate?
I've only flown over it in a helicopter.
That was awful. Cut the love, she's vision.
I haven't done Hoover Dam. I am very excited to take as many dam photos.
I thought you came here with your family.
No, we flew over it.
Where's Bowen?
Where's Bowen? Bowen!
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 Driving across Hoover Dam now, lots of people here. It's a massive tourist spot, and obviously it's a Saturday, but it is a beautiful place to come. Awesome bit of engineering.
The view's getting better the further we go. So people won't use this footage. That's the worst part. What? So it'd be better when you look directly at it, I reckon.
Alright, we're at Hoover Dam, and I'm just FaceTiming the kids, roaming with Vodafone, $5 a day, and I can see them, they can see me. It's perfect. Say hi, kids. After Hoover Dam, we've just popped over to a view of Lake Mead and Jolly. Pretty impressive sight here. You were just saying, not the sort of thing you'd ever see inland in Australia.
No, you just wouldn't see it. It's just, it would die very quickly.
Even if we had a river to dam and create this, you just wouldn't have that population.
We have lakes that are popular, but you just would not have this in Australia.
And some people here taking a helicopter tour over the Hoover Dam, which would be awfully horrific if you've got motion sickness.
I'll give it a miss.
We've taken advantage of this beautiful view, and I've just done a video which we'll publish later on Facebook and Twitter of the Huawei Mate 10. Beautiful view, got some good shots, and we'll publish that video a little later. Great last meal, love a good steak. In fact, we all had the exact same thing, Flipsy. Ribeye, some great sides, great broccoli, Jolly, great last meal.
Mashed potato was the best.
That was good.
Jeff's over in the dark. It's time to head back, pack our bags, and head to LA.
Where's Bowen?
Where's Bowen?
Bowen.
Bowie. Jeff, whoa, what a great dinner, mate.
Mate, what a steak.
I actually can't remember last year's dinner at that same place, so I'm glad we went again. It was great. You bought a beautiful wine as well, Napa Valley.
Mate, Napa do fine wine.
No one cares. And it was beautiful, so we're gonna pack up our stuff and then head to LA.